Crawl spaces might seem like just the underbelly of your home where you never go, but they're essential for keeping your house in great shape. Think of them as the hidden heroes that, when ignored, can cause serious drama like mold or make your floors go wonky. So fellows, our today's video is about high-level overview of the essentials of crawl space repair, some DIY solutions that can help you tackle some of these problems independently, and a fundamental understanding of when to call in the pros. Imagine a small, narrow space under your house that's just big enough to crawl through, hence the name. It's where a bunch of your home's essential stuff lives, like plumbing and wiring systems. It can also influence your house's overall air quality and energy efficiency. However, when these spaces are not properly maintained, they can lead to many problems. Musty odors and mold growth. The presence of mold or a musty smell in your home can indicate excessive moisture in your crawl space. Sagging floors. Feel like you're walking on a trampoline? If the floors above the crawl space feel bouncy or uneven, it might signal structural issues. Increased heating and cooling bills. Seeing your energy bills go up for no reason? Unexpected spikes in your energy bills could be due to excess moisture or poor insulation in your crawl space, affecting your home's temperature regulation, pest control, and prevention. Pests like termites and rodents can cause significant damage if left unchecked. Sealing entry points and removing debris that could harbor pests are essential to maintaining a clean and secure crawl space. Maintaining your crawl space is critical to preventing extensive repairs down the line. Here are some DIY maintenance tips to keep your crawl space in top shape. Keep it dry. Dehumidifiers can help control moisture levels. Seal crawl space vents. Open crawl space vents allow warm, humid air to flow in and condense on cooler surfaces. Check for pests regularly. Inspect your crawl space for signs of rodents or insects. Seal any cracks or openings to prevent them from entering. Clean and clear. Remove debris to prevent mold growth and to make inspecting and repairing any issues more manageable. Check for plumbing leaks. Make sure you don't have plumbing leaks in your crawl space. Annual inspections by professionals can catch issues before they escalate. Regular checks from an expert should examine the crawl space's durability, moisture levels, and overall crawl space condition. Selecting an experienced and reputable crawl space repair company is critical. Look for specialists with a strong track record, proper licensing, and positive customer reviews. If the idea of venturing into your dark, damp crawl space, a place often shared with snakes, spiders, and rats, doesn't scare you off, then you're in the right mindset for tackling some DIY solutions for crawl space issues. Here are some effective strategies to address common problems down there, equipped with the bravery to face the critters and the conditions. Safety first. When undertaking DIY crawl space repairs, always wear protective clothing, including gloves, goggles, and a mask. Ensure the crawl space is well ventilated and plenty of air moves through to prevent inhaling hazardous materials. Be cautious when working with electrical systems. For homeowners willing to tackle crawl space repairs themselves, here are some steps and tips for common issues. Waterproofing and moisture control. Moisture, the arch nemesis of crawl spaces, requires strategic management. To stop the dampness, install a vapor barrier. Roll out some thick plastic sheeting across the floor of your crawl space. A 6mm polyethylene vapor barrier across the entire crawl space floor will prevent ground moisture from evaporating into the crawl space air and dampening things. Seal the deal by sealing vents and openings. Use foam board insulation and caulk to seal off vents and openings. Foam board insulation prevents moist air from entering and reduces energy costs. Sump pump installation. If your crawl space is prone to flooding, installing a sump pump can help remove water efficiently. Master crawl space repair with our guide, tackling moisture, mold, and structural issues through DIY tips, and when to seek professional help. Fix the framework and repair structural damage. Occasionally, crawl spaces suffer from structural damage. Repairing joists, beams, and foundation walls is imperative in such cases. Utilizing professional-grade materials and techniques ensures long-lasting stability and peace of mind. Inspect for damage. Look for signs of sagging floors, weakened floor joists, or damaged beams. Install support jacks. Find weak spots? You can use metal posts to jack up and support sagging areas. Adjustable steel crawl space screw jacks stabilize sagging floors, making everything pleasant and level again. Insulate it out with the old insulation. Remove any wet, moldy, or old insulation. Wear protective gear to avoid inhaling harmful particles. In with the new insulation. Use rigid foam board or spray foam insulation on the walls for a more effective and moisture-resistant option than traditional fiberglass bats. It's way better than the fluffy stuff and keeps moisture out. Keep water away and improve drainage. Regrade the exterior. Ensure the soil around your home slopes away from the foundation to prevent water from pooling around the crawl space. Install French drains. For serious drainage issues, consider installing French drains around the perimeter of your home to redirect water away from your foundation. Crawl space issues can be resolved with do-it-yourself solutions, but specific problems may require professional expertise. Consulting with a professional would be wise if you encounter complex structural damage, severe mold infestations, or are unsure about the repair process. They can provide the necessary expertise with a large team and equipment to safely and effectively resolve the issue. Experts offer comprehensive solutions, from diagnosis to repair, ensuring your crawl space remains in optimal condition. Additionally, professional services often come with warranties, offering further assurance of quality workmanship. The power of crawl space care. Crawl space repair is not just about fixing immediate problems. It's about safeguarding your home's future. Remember, your home's crawl space and foundation are its bedrock. Ensuring the crawl space is well maintained is a crucial step in preserving the structure and value of your property. Embrace the peace of mind that comes with a well-maintained crawl space. With some effort, you can prevent moisture problems, keep your energy bills down, and avoid structural issues. Regularly assess the scope of the project and your ability to complete the work safely. And don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. There's no shame in calling for backup if things get too wild. By taking proactive steps and getting hands-on with your crawl space maintenance and repair, you save money and take charge of your home's health and comfort.